Well, hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm giving you a behind the scenes look at one of the most effective ways to build and grow your email list and build and grow your revenue, which is creating a quiz funnel in Kajabi. My team and I just finished up creating this beautiful quiz funnel for one of my clients inside of Kajabi, and I thought it would be the perfect time to walk you through the strategies, walk you through all the behind the scenes aspects of building a quiz, and really giving you some insight on how these quizzes can act as a true lead magnet for growing your business and signing more clients. Quizzes can truly be such a powerful tool to help you grow your business. I had one client gain about 800 new subscribers in 1 month just from one quiz funnel. People love to take quizzes. They love that discovery aspect of it. And if you follow up your quiz with some resources that link to the topic of your quiz, you can really build that no trust factor with someone very quickly so that they feel comfortable and are ready to invest with you. So let's get into it. First things first, you're going to want to, before you do anything, is determine your quiz goals. What is the business goal that you are trying to reach by putting out this quiz? Is there a particular offer or offers that you're driving to? Which should always be the case. You always want to have your funnel leading to some sort of paid offer or paid option to work with you. And quizzes can be a really great tool to be able to segment your list and provide personal follow-up to send them to different pricing tiers of your offers. The second question, as far as goals that you're going to want to determine, is what is the promise to the quiz taker? What will they gain from taking the quiz? What are they going to figure out about themselves? And how are you going to support them after that discovery phase? For example, for this client in particular, you can see here that she has two separate offers that we're driving to. The first one is her lower tiered course, and then the second one is her high touch one-on-one coaching. And based on the quiz results, we would lead them through an email sequence and present the offer that is best for them and their current situation. Next up, you're going to want to choose your quiz topic and core questions. Your topic should be directly related to your business goals or your business offers and be interesting enough to where people want to participate. A great quiz topic solves a problem or answers a question that your audience already has. It can be really helpful to think of your topic as a hook. For instance, if you're a skincare brand, you could do discover your perfect skincare routine. Or if you're a digestive health expert, your topic could be something like uncover the root cause of your digestive health issues. Your core question should naturally lead your quiz taker to their results and connect back to one of your offers. The key is to make your quiz as intriguing and as valuable as possible. All right, so now let's talk about brainstorming your quiz questions. So your questions should feel quick, fun, and relevant to your outcome. The best quizzes keep participants engaged enough and curious enough to figure out what the outcome might be. I always recommend starting with about 5 to 7 questions. This is enough to engage your audience without overwhelming them. For example, if you're trying to uncover the root cause of a health issue, you could ask about symptoms, you could ask about frequency, you can ask about what they've tried to do in the past to solve this problem. Each answer should give you insights that will lead your participants to a personalized result. The result should feel like an aha moment for your clients, and you can follow up with free resources that naturally lead them to one of your paid offers. All right, so now we're going to move into mapping your offer, which is one of my favorite parts. And this is where you're going to take your customer from engaging to truly interested in working with you or investing in a service or product that you offer. So based on your quiz result, you're going to want to decide what happens next. So let's take this for example. Our leads will land on a quiz landing page that has a quiz embedded into the page. The landing page, just like a sales page, should offer a big headline at the top with what they're going to get out of taking your quiz. And then you can embed the quiz further down the page. I like to use 2 different kinds of quiz software. Sometimes I'll use Typeform and sometimes I'll use TryInteract, depending on if the client already has one of these or not. For this one particular example, we use Typeform. And once they go through the 5 to 7 questions, they'll be taken to a results page. Now, depending on if you want to pay for your quiz software or if you want to do it for free, there's 2 different ways that you can do this. For this particular way, we told them to check their email to get their results. This is a great path to take because then the client will be going to their email, they'll be checking into their email inbox, they'll be clicking into your email inbox, and then that just helps with your email sender reputation. Another option could be to automatically redirect to the results page. This provides a more seamless customer experience where they don't have to go to their email to get to the results, but it often requires a paid version of either TryInteract or Typeform. From there, I use a little Zapier magic to connect the quiz platform to our follow-up platform. So for this particular client, we were using Kajabi. So I used a Zapier Zap to connect the result to a particular Kajabi form, which is connected to a follow-up sequence inside of Kajabi. And then for this particular one, we sent 3 follow-up emails. The first email was delivering the quiz result, and you can see that we sent them to the results page here, where they were able to download an additional resource to help them begin to take the first steps to address what they had uncovered throughout their quiz. The second email was kind of just a follow-up, a reminder, asking them if they had checked out their results PDF yet. And we also offered additional resources in the forms of blog articles or podcast, again, just to increase the customer touch points so we can really build that no trust factor. And then the third email was more of a soft pitch, inviting them to check out one of our paid offers if they were interested in going deeper into solving their problem. Depending on the price point of the offers you're driving to, you may need more emails to truly give that customer time to know you and warm up to the idea of investing in you and your offers. So you can see here, we go from email sequence to results page to PDF, and then ultimately we're leading them to this final offer. All right, once you get your funnel set up, one of the most important things, and a lot of times gets missed, is your promotional plan for your quiz. There's a ton of different ways that you can drive traffic towards your quiz. So for this particular quiz, we're using Instagram as one of our main traffic sources, and we'll be posting reels, carousels, doing IG lives, and sharing our stories about the quiz. I also always recommend to pair your short form ephemeral content with also long form search optimized content. So we'll be also writing about 4 blog articles with call to actions to take the quiz. So we'll pick topics that are related to this quiz funnel. For this one in particular, we really just pulled out some of the information that were in these results PDFs, and then included a call to action to if they wanted to learn more about this topic or see if this was a topic that is affecting them to be able to take the quiz. Another place to promote your quiz is in your podcast. If you have it, you can use a dynamic ad that you're able to turn on and off for all of your episodes, or you can create topic-specific episodes similar to the articles with call to actions related to your quiz funnel. Again, you also don't want to forget to plaster this quiz all over your website. So some of the key places to place call to actions about your quiz are in your homepage, if you have a free resources page, on your website header banner, and on your blog sidebar. Another place to promote your quiz is in your newsletter. You can have a call to action inside a regularly scheduled newsletter, and you can also create promo-specific emails to promote the quiz specifically. That just touches on some of the organic ways that you can drive traffic to your quiz, but really the options are endless. Once you know your quiz is working and converting as it should be, you can always do paid ads. I love doing podcast tours where I'm sharing a free resource like a quiz. Really, the opportunities are endless. You just have to have a plan about what you're going to do to promote it and how you're going to do it. One of the reasons why I am so excited about quiz funnels is not only are they really fun for me to build, but they also work really, really well. Like I said, recently, one of my clients added over 800 new email subscribers in one single month from one quiz. So if you're looking to grow your email list quickly, a real well-built, strategized quiz can be the way to go. And if you'd like hands-on support with building your quiz, me and my team would love to help you. We build quizzes all the time. You can apply for one of our VIP implementation sprints in the description below. We help clients from everything from designing their quiz pages to coming up with their quiz strategy to designing the resource PDFs to writing the copy for the email funnels. We really have a team that I've built and worked with throughout the years that we can tap on as needed to help you build out your quiz funnel. All right, so that's it for today. Good luck building your quiz if you are a DIYer. And like I said, if you need help, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Kajabi and online business growth tips.